Hi there, my name is Cody Giardinello and I'm a software engineer on the Ops MVS team. This video is for Mainframe Team Center Automation to go over the new feature called Rule Analysis. For more Mainframe Team Center videos, be sure to visit the CA Educate playlist on YouTube or follow the links at the end of this video for more information. In this video, we will cover the rule analysis feature. We'll start with a quick overview and list the number of prerequisites required to get this feature up and running. We'll then go into a brief demo, talk a little bit about how it works, and then finish with a summary. The rule analysis feature allows users to quickly and easily identify the different automation components that are utilized by a particular rule in their automation environment. These associated automation components are then displayed graphically as a tree to show the relationships between the automation components and the selected rule. Once the rule analysis display is presented, it's easy to manipulate the structure by expanding, collapsing, and zooming in and out using your mouse. In order to take advantage of the rule analysis feature, you must be running Ops MVS 13.5 or higher with Mainframe Team Center set up and configured. Then just install the Agile PTF listed on this slide and you're all set. In this simple example, we are presented with an active MTCA user session. Notice that the currently selected rule, named Demo Rule, contains in its source a list of associations both to rules and to Rex programs. These relationships are what we hope to build graphically using the new Rule Analysis tab seen here. Clicking on the Rule Analysis tab builds a tree structure gathered from the rule source of the selected rule we just saw. Notice that each node represents a separate rule or Rex program that was invoked by the caller. In this case, two trees are displayed. The first shows rule relationships, each denoted by the system name, rule set name, and rule name, as well as whether it's enabled or disabled at this moment. In this example, all three are disabled. Below that are the Rex associations, each with their own node on the tree with the name of the Rex program inside the node. If the size of the relationship tree is too large, it's easy to scroll, to zoom in and out using your mouse, or to click and drag to pan around the screen. The tree structures can also be collapsed by clicking the head node for both rules and Rexes, and can be expanded the same way. As you just saw, the rule analysis feature analyzes the source code for the selected rule and pulls out the relationships to other rules and Rex programs. Because of the variety of ways rules and Rex programs can be called, we have made sure to document the cases we expect to find a relationship for. Here is a list of general rules we follow to find these relationships. Please refer to the rule analysis section in the MTCA documentation for a complete list of syntaxes that will be caught. To summarize, the Agile feature PTF listed on the screen introduces the rule analysis feature into Ops MVS 13.5. With this PTF, the new Rule Analysis tab can be found on the MTCA web user interface when you select a rule. Clicking this tab causes analysis to occur on the selected rule's source, which finds what relationship the selected rule has to other rules and Rex programs. The rule analysis information is then graphically displayed in a tree structure that you can expand, collapse, zoom, and pan as needed.
For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.